When the road ahead requires more, whether that's capability, convenience, technology, or even safety, the all-new 2023 Toyota Sequoia delivers. Now in its third generation, Sequoia is completely redesigned and among the first Toyota vehicles to feature the revolutionary iForce Max hybrid powertrain. This high-tech hybrid powertrain is standard across the entire lineup, and its powerful efficiency comes together with Sequoia's signature blend of smart styling and cutting-edge features to create an experience that commands confidence. Considering its impressive lineup, drivers can find the perfect model to suit their needs, whether on the road or even the trail. For 2023, Sequoia arrives in 5 unique grades with a lineup that includes SR5, Limited, Platinum, the adventure-focused TRD Pro, and the new Capstone, which is the most luxurious Sequoia to date. Regardless of the grade, Sequoia brings vast utility and capability that's reinforced by its exterior presence. When it comes to capability, the latest generation Sequoia raises the bar. The standard iForce Max provides Sequoia with an incredible 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque through its revolutionary twin-turbo hybrid design. That means plenty of power for trips through town, treks across tough terrain, and extra efficiency for long travels. In fact, Sequoia has an EPA estimated rating of 22 mpg combined on two-wheel drive models, and an EPA estimated rating of 20 mpg on the four-wheel drive models, which means extended adventures are encouraged on the road or out on the trail. When matched with Sequoia's all-new 10-speed automatic transmission, this sweet spot between power and efficiency is easily managed. This amazing drivetrain also helps Sequoia achieve a tow rating of up to 9,520 pounds on select grades. An impressive feat of capability that's taken even further with available features like the power-extending tow mirrors and the tow technology package, which adds a digital rear-view mirror along with the new trailer backup guide with straight path assist system that can make backing up with a trailer a whole lot easier. To amp up Sequoia's performance side, a TRD Sport package increases the on-road excitement of Sequoia SR5, while the TRD Off-Road package helps four-wheel drive SR5 and Limited models tackle tricky trails with features like an electronically controlled rear differential lock, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and downhill assist control. And if that somehow still wasn't enough performance, Sequoia TRD Pro takes the TRD Off-Road package's great features and adds a wider stance, Fox shocks, hood vents, and a TRD skid plate. Sequoia's powerful presence is further accented with its wide range of external design highlights, including standard LED lighting, standard sequential turn signals on Platinum and higher, and all-new 20-inch alloy wheels on Limited. For those who want to stand out from the crowd in style, Capstone's 22-inch alloy wheels bring an added level of visual confidence, and its power running boards ensure everyone can get in and out with style too. Meanwhile, TRD Pro comes equipped with a range of visual upgrades to match its capability, including a heritage-inspired Toyota grille with LED light bar and marker lights, 18-inch TRD Pro matte black forged aluminum wheels with TRD center caps, dual-tipped single exhaust, and TRD badging. Blending good looks with a more street-focused demeanor, Sequoia's TRD Sport package adds TRD Sport badging along with 20-inch TRD Sport alloy wheels. While all of Sequoia's grades exude exterior confidence and capability, the story inside turns to comfort and convenience. Inside Sequoia, it's all about the driver and passenger experience, starting with its spacious interior cabin. Sequoia has a standard power-folding third row on Limited grades and above, while standard 6-inch sliding functionality helps increase the available cargo space behind the seats across the lineup. Sequoia's impressive space can be configured for additional utility depending on the situation, thanks to the new adjustable cargo shelf system. Moving into the passenger area, the focus is all about comfort. This can be seen and felt with available heated and ventilated front and rear seats, while available Softex trimmed seating helps add an extra touch of comfort. Meanwhile, the TRD off-road package on four-wheel drive models brings in features like a TRD leather-trimmed shift knob, aluminum sport pedals, and a red push-button start to help reinforce its performance-focused capability. Finally, Sequoia's capstone grade elevates the interior even further with semi-aniline leather-trimmed seats with a great exclusive black and white color combination and real walnut interior trim. Sequoia's cabin capability isn't limited to just comfort and convenience. There's also some smart and sophisticated tech inside too. This starts with Sequoia's standard fully digital 12.3-inch instrument panel that displays essential information to help keep drivers focused on the road ahead. The centerpiece, however, is the massive available 14-inch touchscreen that features Toyota's latest audio multimedia system, which brings a range of great new tech like support for multiple user profiles and wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to subscription-based services such as Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And this can all be paired with an available JBL premium audio system to make the most out of these great services. This new system also works seamlessly with Toyota's line of connected services, which include trials to Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Drive Connect, featuring available Intelligent Assistant, and Wi-Fi Connect, which now offers integrated streaming. Whether it's the daily commute or a new adventure, Sequoia brings extra peace of mind along for the ride thanks to Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. This active safety system includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. TSS 2.5 also includes a lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. To help keep an extra eye on those tough-to-see spots outside, Sequoia also includes standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. This theme of high-tech safety extends throughout the cabin, thanks to Toyota's rear seat reminder that comes standard on all 2023 Sequoias. True to its name, the 2023 Sequoia stands tall above the crowd. When you consider it's backed by Toyota's legendary long-term value and unbeatable reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, and then add in the Toyota Care maintenance plan with roadside assistance, there's no doubt that Sequoia is ready to take on the road or next adventure with confidence. For more information, visit toyota.com/Sequoia.